Hello friends, welcome to ASAP German Language Institute. My name is Anand and this is the 11th video of our complete video series for Goethe German A1 exam preparation. If you have visited our channel for the first time, then please check all earlier videos. We have already completed Lesen module, Hören module, that is reading and listening module. Also writing module is completed, and from this video onward we are going to start with the Sprechen module, that is speaking module. And in this video particularly we are going to talk about speaking module part 1. So what exactly will happen in this video? I will show you one sample question paper. I will show you how to answer those questions and all, and then you will get two sample question papers and you have to share your answers in the comment box. Okay, so let's check the question paper. In this video, it is Sprechen Teil 1. Yeah, speaking part 1. Very simple and very easily you can get here 5 out of 5. Okay, what is this exactly? Sich vorstellen. So you see this word here, phrase sich vorstellen, that means introducing yourself. And you will have exactly similar page in front of you. I mean, you don't have to by heart these points you will be shown in the exam. You will see these points and then you have to speak. So you have to introduce yourself basically on this point. So Name is name, Alter, age, Land means country, from where you are, and Wohnort means in which city you are living. Maybe you are from India but now you are living in New York or let's say Berlin. And Sprachen, languages, Beruf, profession, and hobby. There is also another word, Freizeit. Instead of hobby, there can be Freizeit word as well. So these are the 7 points, and you have to introduce yourself by using these points. You will be shown these points. So now let's see how is the ideal answer. Okay, and as this is same in all the question papers, so we will not discuss sample question paper 2 or sample question paper 3 in this video. Okay, because this question paper, like, see, this is sample question paper 2 and this is sample question paper 3. So everything is same in any sample question paper, and that's why here I always say that these 5 marks you must get 5 out of 5. Okay, because you already know what will be there in this question, first Teil 1. And now here I will describe you a little bit. So here are the 7 points: Name, Alter, Land, Wohnort, Sprachen, Beruf, und Hobby oder Freizeit. Freizeit, free time, hobby. So it can be anything. So now how how this mündliche Prüfung, it is called oral exam, how it will start. Okay, so these could be the questions that examiner will ask you. Könnten Sie sich bitte kurz vorstellen? Hier sind einige Wörter zu Hilfe. Here are a few words to help you. Okay, könnten Sie, could you please introduce yourself in short? Here are a few words for your help. Okay, then second question could be, second option. Okay, so erzählen Sie uns im Kurz über Sie. Explain us about you in short. Wer sind Sie? Benutzen Sie diese Punkte. Who are you? Use these points. Points means these points here. Okay, use these points. Or there can be the third option. Bitte stellen Sie sich kurz vor. Please introduce yourself. Why it is sich? You yourself. Introduce you yourself. You introduce yourself. Then, wer sind Sie? Fourth option. Who are you? Beschreiben Sie sich bitte. Describe yourself, please. And still, the examiner may find some fifth or sixth option to ask the same question. Okay, you just need to understand that vorstellen, beschreiben, these words will be there in the question. Okay, then next, examiner may introduce himself or herself just to make you understand how you should speak. And then at the end we'll say und Sie, wer sind Sie, who are you, und du, wer bist du. Informally also examiner may talk to you if examiner is very much elder to you, but mostly it will be formal language. And expected answer is how you should answer this question. and I expect you to write the same all these sentences in the comment box. I am really eager to know who are you, where are you from, where do you live. Why? Because that will show me like where this video is being watched. Yeah, who is watching this video. So please, so I will correct you also, and plus I want to know where are you from. So this is the ideal answer. Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße, and you tell your name, or mein Name ist, and your name. Ich komme aus, for example, Spanien. Yes, in English it is Spain, and in German it is Spanien. This is there in the first lesson of your A1 course book. The countries, how do you read their names in German language? Ich wohne in Berlin. Ich wohne in Berlin. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. I am 20-year old. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. I am 30-year old. And next is your beruf, profession. Okay, so if you're a student, you will use this line, and if you are working somewhere, you will use this line. How to do that? Ich bin ein Student oder eine Studentin. And next, ich bin ein oder eine, or simply without this also you can write ich bin Ingenieur. Okay, simply you can write ich bin Programmierer und arbeite bei, and name of the company. So profession and company you should tell. So for example, ich bin Programmierer und arbeite bei TCS. TCS. TCS will be TCS in German. Ich spreche, now languages. Sprachen means languages. You have to use the verb spreche. Ich spreche English, Spanish und ein bisschen Deutsch. Deutsch, D should be capital, like English and Spanish. Okay, this, anyways, you have to speak this, but D should be capital here. Deutsch, ein bisschen Deutsch, or ich lerne Deutsch, means I speak little bit. Ein bisschen means little German. I speak little German. Ich lerne Deutsch. You can also say, instead of ein bisschen, you can say etwas. Some German. I speak some German. Okay. And then about your hobby. Mein Hobby ist Fußball spielen und Musik hören. Or if it is about Freizeit, you can say ich sehe Filme in meiner Freizeit. Ich sehe Filme und spiele Fußball in meiner Freizeit. So this should be your ideal answer. Please put your information and tell me about your hobbies, all these lines in the comment box. Yeah, klar. And then after this answer, examiner may ask you a couple of questions. After you finish your introduction or talking about yourself, examiner may ask you 2-3 questions like, können Sie bitte Ihren Namen buchstabieren? Buchstabieren is to spell. So, buchstabieren Sie Ihren Namen bitte? Nachname, sorry, here it is Nachname, that means surname, okay, or Vorname is first name. Even if he says, your examiner says only Name, then it will be surname. So, können Sie bitte Ihren Nachname buchstabieren, or buchstabieren Sie Ihren Nachname bitte? Spell your surname, please. Wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer oder Handynummer? What is your telephone number or mobile number? Wann sind Sie geboren? Or was ist Ihre Geburtsdatum? Same question. When were you born? Or what is your birth date? So if it is third question, that is wann sind Sie geboren? And the answer should be ich bin am 7. Mai 1990 geboren. Or was ist Ihre Geburtsdatum? Mein Geburtsdatum ist 7. Mai, or May month is the 5th month, so you can also say number. So 5th. So it is 7. 1990. That is my birthday. Buchstabieren Sie. Examiner may give you any random word and may ask you to spell that. Buchstabieren Sie. And then there could be any word. Buchstabieren Sie Czechoslovakia or Buchstabieren Sie Tiruvananthapuram. Any word can be there. Okay. Not only name of the city or country. It can be any word also. Okay, normal. So then 6th one is wie ist Ihre email address? What is your email address? And you may have to spell also. So the examiner may ask you, können Sie das bitte buchstabieren? Can you please spell that? Or können Sie the email address bitte buchstabieren? Buchstabieren is to spell. So these are the things, and still examiner may find few more questions to ask you. Okay, so there could be any question, couple of questions will be there, of course, based on your A1 knowledge, of course. Yeah, so these questions and all these things, if you do answer the question, if you prepare all the 7 questions, chances are like the questions will be from out of the 7 only. And then introduction is fixed, like this will be the question, so it is quite easy to get 5 out of 5. So that was your Sprechen Teil 1 of Goethe German A1 exam. I hope you understood. Now we'll get back to our camera video and we'll stop this one. So guys, that was our Teil 1 of Schreiben module, Sprechen module it is, speaking module part 1. I hope you understood how to answer the questions and how to introduce yourself. You have to write your answers in the comment box, your doubts, questions, whatever it is, we'll discuss about that in detail. And I hope you like the video. If you really find this video helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your other friends, and let's continue with our series. In the next video, we are going to talk about Sprechen Module Teil 2, Speaking Module Part 2. Okay, so see you in our next video. Cheers.